Hi guys, I have this non-smartphone and its charging port got damaged. So I quickly removed the back cover, I removed the battery and opened it all at once. I removed the motherboard from the chassis. I used the blower to heat away the damaged charging port. I used the tweezer to carry it away. The heat from the workstation should be set to a suitable value in order not to heat the motherboard. I added some new solder after removing the old charging port. The heat from the workstation should be set to a suitable value. This is to ensure that the board does not accumulate with enough heat which can damage it. I used some benzene water and a brush to clean the board thoroughly. After that, I heated the board once again and placed a new charging port. I heated it gently to firmly grip with the board. After that, I used the USB cable to test it. I first placed back the battery and now the phone shows that it's charging. Before closing the phone, I used the soldering iron to stick back the mouthpiece. I soldered the negative terminal to the negative part of the board and the positive as well. When everything is done, I placed back the motherboard into its chassis and then positioned the mouthpiece where it is supposed to be. I added the keypad onto the motherboard. After everything is done, I closed the phone and placed back the battery. I switched the phone on and tested it, and the results were good. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.